What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the Braised Ribs Recipe in Crimson Desert. Another addition to your early game food buffs arsenal. Braised Ribs heal for 320 health points and 24 spirit, up to 620 health and 54 spirit restored if you cook the highest tier. All tiers of this food also have a full minute of level 4 ice resistance. You'll find this inside the walls of the Hernand Castle. It's not in the castle, but on a different building marked by my waypoint. Follow my waypoint and you'll see this church-like structure. It's actually a banquet hall. Go inside and stop at the beginning of the main hall, turn right, and move towards the small wooden stool. Beside it, you'll find the recipe on the ground. Just pick it up and read it to learn the recipe, then find a nearby cooking pot to cook it if you've got the ingredients. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.